Hey guys, and welcome back to Cooking with Claire. If you're new here, my name is Clarissa, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make fried okra. So let's cook. Okay guys, so here I have about 16 ounces of fresh okra, and all I've done was take my okra and slice the top part off and slice the bottom part off and set that to the side, and then I just cut it into equal pieces like that. Now I've cut all my end pieces up and put them in a separate container because I'm going to fry these up separately. If I fry these up with the rest of our okra, the end parts are going to wind up burning because they're much smaller. So here I have about a cup of buttermilk, and to this I'm going to add 1 egg. I'm also going to add in about a teaspoon of salt and some fresh black pepper. And I'm just going to mix that up. Next, I'm just going to take our okra pieces and I'm going to put those inside. And I'm going to mix those in. And you just want to make sure that you're covering all your okra up with your wet batter. Now that we have this all mixed up, I'm going to make my flour mixture. I'm going to be using 3 things. I'm going to be using cornmeal, cornstarch, and flour. And this is around 1/4 cup each. Now to this, you want to add some slap your mama. I'm going to add about a teaspoonful. Next, I'm going to be adding in some onion powder and some garlic. Now we're going to mix this up. And now you just want to taste it for seasoning. I'm just going to add some salt in and just a little pepper. And mix that up. And for this, you just want to season to your taste. Now that tastes perfect for me. Now what you want to do is take some of your okra and mix it through. And you want to make sure that you're thoroughly covering your okra with this dry mixture. And I'm going to be working in small batches. So I have some oil heating up on the stove, so let's take this over to the stove and fry this up. Okay, so our oil is hot, so we're going to go ahead and add our okra in. So we're going to let this okra fry up until it's nice and crispy. Okay guys, so our okra is now golden brown and nice and crispy, as you can see. So we're gonna go ahead and put these off to the side to drain. So I'm gonna cook up my second batch and I'll check back in with you guys when I'm all finished. Okay, so here is all of our okra all fried up, and you see if I sprinkled bits of the end pieces all throughout my platter here, so you can get a piece of the middle and you can get a piece of the, and you can still get that end piece, because some people like the end pieces like me. I really like to eat the end pieces because they do tend to be more crunchier. But here's the piece up close. They almost look like popcorn chicken, but they're nice and crispy and they're tasty, and I don't even have to talk about it. Just listen to this crunch, guys. I'm just gonna open one up so you guys can still see the inside. And you can see the inside is still nice and moist, but the outside is nice and crispy. And that's exactly how you want your okra to be. I don't know how you guys like to eat your okra, but I like to dip a little bit inside of that hot sauce just to add that extra spice. And it's so delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, put on your post notifications, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.